How to say, I'm married. Jestem żonaty. Jestem żonaty. That's how a male would say it. Jestem żonaty. Jestem. Then the Z with the dot is a zh. Żonaty. Żonaty. Jestem żonaty. Try it. Great. Now, if you're a girl and you want to say I'm married, you say jestem żonata. The only difference is that instead of żonaty for males, it's żonata for females. Jestem żonata. So let's try it one more time for practice. Jestem żonata. Go ahead, you give it a shot. Very good. To say, I have a husband, you say, mam męża. Mam męża. Mam męża. That second word, the E with the accent is an elm, and the Z with the dot accent over it is a zh. So it's męża. Mam męża. Now you give it a shot. Now I know that you have a husband. Great job. To say, I have a wife, you say, mam żonę. Mam żonę. Mam żonę. The Z has a little dot over it, which is the accent, which turns it into a zh. Mam żonę. Go ahead, you give it a shot. Good job. To say, I'm taken, you say, jestem podjęty. That's how a male would say it. Jestem podjęty. Let's break this one down. Jestem podjęty. 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 The J is a Y, and then the E with the accent is an elm. So it's jęty. Podjęty. Jestem podjęty. Go ahead. Say it. Very good. Now, to say it if you're a girl, you say jestem podjęta. So, males say podjęty, females say podjęta. Now, let's break it down just one more time for practice. Jestem podjęta. Podjęta. Jestem podjęta. Let me hear you say it. Very good. Now you know the difference. Great job. That's how you say I'm married.